Ready to move beyond basic comprehension? We're diving into the SparkPath micro-lesson library to explore Key Stage 3 English literature, focusing on character, theme, and setting. Click in the top right corner to find out more about the SparkPath micro-lesson app. Or, to sign up, scan the QR code on screen now or click the link in the description.
Right, Sarah, this is a fantastic lesson designed for Year 7 students, covering the analysis part of the English curriculum. Our objective is to explore the development of characters, themes, and settings using a variety of literary works.
That sounds like serious analysis. I noticed some resource links again at the bottom of the screen. Are the teacher resources still available for this Key Stage 3 lesson?
They are. The teacher has access to the lesson plan, rubric, and curriculum map at all times. The student, of course, goes right to starting the lesson. Let's jump in.
Does this higher level lesson still have the accessibility features from the last one?
Absolutely. Just like the last lesson, students can use the Speak button to have any text or literary extract read aloud. This ensures all students, regardless of their reading fluency, can access the complex text we're about to explore.
Excellent. So how does the lesson walk them through these elements, character, setting, and theme, before they start analysing? By the way, if you want to see other lesson videos from me and James, click on the playlist link in the top right corner, or there will be a link in the description.
It breaks the concepts down step by step. It starts with the building blocks of story, then introduces how to meet the characters, how to welcome the setting, and finally, how to identify the big idea or the theme.
That structured approach is so helpful. What about the demonstration? What famous literature do they use to practice analysis?
The system gives them an extract, in this case from Dickens's A Christmas Carol. It describes Scrooge. The student can read it, or they can listen to a professional voice reading the vivid description: tight-fisted, squeezing, wrenching, grasping, scraping, clutching, covetous old sinner.
Wow, that really brings the character to life. So once they've analysed the example, where does the creativity come in?
That's the best part, the creative corner. The student chooses their own elements. They pick a setting like the Whispering Library, define a character like John, brave, searching for the lost key, and select a theme like courage versus fear.
That's amazing for ownership. What happens once they confirm those 3 elements?
The AI immediately visualizes that story idea. It creates a unique image based on their character, setting, and theme. Then they get a writing box to write their own story based on those elements. And crucially, they can submit their writing for AI feedback to improve their skills.
That's vital for student development. So after they finish their creative work and get their feedback, how is their overall understanding assessed?
Once the Creative Corner activity is complete, students immediately move to a 10-question quiz. Following that, they receive a full skills review, can download a comprehensive report of the lesson, and if they achieve 80% or more, they earn and can download a certificate.
Thank you, James. What an incredible way to teach high-level literature analysis. To find this lesson and many more engaging activities, head over to the SparkPath micro-lesson library. Use the coupon code NCKS3CHARACTER for a 50% discount on your first year's annual subscription. Don't forget, you can scan the QR code on screen now or click the link in the description.